Give me just 5 minutes of your full attention, and I promise, you'll never look at your wealth, your home, or your time the same way again. You've spent years chasing more money, more time, more growth, when what you actually needed was barakah. Mohammed Faris, in his book The Barakah Effect, defines barakah as a gift from Allah and from Him alone. And He can place it into anything: your home, your wealth, your children, your ideas, your insight. And when Allah places barakah into something, a spiritual magnetic force attaches itself to it, creating this incredible reaction: goodness, inner peace, growth, stability. But here's where most of us get it wrong. We think barakah just means increase, more, bigger, faster. Not necessarily. Sometimes barakah is stability, continuity, the marriage that lasts, the income that never dazzles but never fails. Because not all growth is good growth. And here's the deepest part. Barakah is the gift that brings you back to Allah. That's the missing link. Firaun had wealth, power, and empire, blessings on the surface, but they turned him away from Allah. That's not barakah. Barakah is when the blessing pulls you closer to the one who gave it. So how do you get it? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made dua. O Allah, bless my nation in their early mornings. In that narration, a trader named Sakh would send out his goods at the start of the day, and his wealth grew and grew. That's in Sunan Ibn Majah. And science agrees. Researchers studying circadian rhythms have found that focus, willpower, and motivation peak in the morning. Your biology is wired for a blessed start. Now let me tell you a story about fried chicken. Yes, fried chicken. In 1974, a Palestinian man named Shakour Abu Ghazalah, expelled from his homeland, savings lost in a bank collapse, opened a small chicken restaurant in Jeddah. And he made a commitment. For every chicken sold, 1 riyal goes to charity. 2 years later, he died of cancer. He never saw what came next. His sons, engineers, not restaurateurs, lost the agency rights and rebuilt from scratch. Today, that little restaurant is Baik, Saudi Arabia's most beloved food chain, serving millions, even feeding pilgrims in Mina during Hajj. One man, one promise to Allah. Decades of barakah, still flowing after his death. That's what barakah does. It outlives you. So here's how you can invite this gift into your life. 1. Good intentions. Purify why you do what you do. 2. Wake up early. Claim the blessed hours. 3. Give sadaqah. Like Shakour's 1 riyal, charity never decreased wealth. 4. Be honest in trade. The truthful seller finds barakah in every deal. 5. Maintain your ties of kinship. That call you've been avoiding, it expands your provision. 6. Istighfar. Seek forgiveness constantly. It opens doors you didn't know were locked. 7. Get married. Complete half your deen. So here's your takeaway. Stop chasing more. Start chasing the gift. Start tonight. Pick one door. Set the early alarm. Send the charity. Make the call. Say astaghfirullah before you sleep. Because when Allah places barakah in your life, everything you have becomes enough, and everything you do brings you back to Him. And that is the real wealth. In the next video, we go deep into each of these 7 doors. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you there.